Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Image cropping on white boundaries from a complex image can be a common task in image processing. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using Python and popular libraries like OpenCV to crop an image based on white boundaries. We'll assume that the image has a white background, and we want to remove the white space around the main object in the image. Before you start, make sure you have the following Python libraries installed. Load the image using OpenCV2.imread function. Replace your _image_path.jpg with the actual path to your image file. To simplify the processing, convert the image to grayscale using the cv2.cvtcolor function. Apply thresholding to convert the grayscale image into a binary image. This step helps in separating the white background from the main object. Use the cv2.findContours function to find contours in the binary image. Identify the largest contour, which is likely to represent the main object in the image. Use the bounding rectangle of the largest contour to crop the image. Finally, display the cropped image using cv2.imshow. This tutorial demonstrated how to crop an image on white boundaries using Python and OpenCV. You can customize the threshold values and other parameters based on the characteristics of your images. This approach is effective for images with a clear white background, and it can be further extended or modified for different scenarios. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will explore how to crop an image based on white boundaries using Python. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex images that may have irregular shapes or backgrounds. We will use the popular image processing library, OpenCV, to achieve this task. Before getting started, make sure you have the following libraries installed. Converting the image to grayscale simplifies the process of detecting white boundaries. Apply a threshold to create a binary image where white boundaries are represented by white pixels. Identify contours in the binary image. Contours represent the boundaries of white regions. In many cases, the largest contour corresponds to the outer boundary of the image. Generate a mask using the largest contour. Apply the mask to the original image to keep only the region of interest. Show the original and cropped images. By following these steps, you can crop an image based on white boundaries using Python and OpenCV. Adjust the threshold values and other parameters based on the characteristics of your images. This approach is particularly useful for extracting objects or regions of interest from complex images with white backgrounds. ChatGPT.